friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I'm going to make very healthy, super tasty and easy hara bhara kebabs with cheese. Cheesy hara bhara kebabs. So this is my version. It is healthy. So I hope you'll try this video. Let's check for the ingredients. So the ingredients required are spinach. I have washed it and kept ready. Coriander. Green gram, I have soaked it overnight. Green peas. French beans, and these are the veggies I am using, and this is my version of doing hara bhara kebab. So let's see the next process. Let's keep a pan on the stove, heat it a little bit, add little oil to this, not much. Just saute the veggies. We'll add French beans. Add green peas, green gram, mix it well. Now we'll add coriander. These will get cooked once we add spinach, because spinach releases a lot of water from that, so this gets cooked. Now we'll add spinach. So see, you can see so much of water is released in this moisture. So you have to cook it until the water evaporates completely and these veggies get cooked almost. So once this is done, we'll switch off the stove, let it cool and grind it in a mixer. Now we have to grind this into a smooth paste. Now this is done, we'll transfer it into a bowl. Now that is grinded, now we need to mix this. So the other ingredients that are required are paneer, grated paneer, salt, green chili paste. If you don't have green chili paste, while frying the veggies you can add few green chilies and then grind it. Garam masala powder, cumin powder, little chaat masala and cheese cubes to stuff inside. Breadcrumbs. We'll add the paneer into this. Green chili paste. Salt we have to check and add because spinach has also got salt in it. Chaat masala. I'm not adding the spices too much because we want it to be mild, not too masala flavor in this. Garam masala. Mix this properly. Now we'll take a small portion, make it into a kebab shape. So what we will do is, we'll keep a small bit, make a small groove into this, keep a cheese bit into this, cover it up. Now we'll make kebab of it. Now we'll roll this into this breadcrumbs. So we'll not add too much, just coat it a little bit so that it gives a crispy crust outside. If you want, you can place a one bit of kaju on this, but I'm not keeping it. So we'll make all others like these. Now we'll heat a pan, add little butter to this. If you want, you can fry it with oil also. I'm using butter to enhance the taste. You can use even ghee also. Now we'll place this gently. Now we'll add a little butter around this. We'll allow it to fry till little brown in shade, then flip it around. Now we'll flip this gently into the other side. See, this is done. So we'll allow the other side also to fry properly. So our yummy and tasty and cheesy hara bhara kebabs are ready. These are my version of kebabs. You can serve them with ketchup or tamarind chutney, sweet tamarind chutney. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll be soon back with a new and interesting video soon.